Today I'm going to show you 4 side jobs that you can do to make some extra money. Now these are really flexible, you can pick your own hours, you can do this any time of the day, you could be laid in bed and doing a couple of these jobs. Now one of these you've probably never even seen or heard of, so if you're excited as me, stick around for today's episode. What's up, stackers? So today I'm going to show you 4 side jobs that you could easily start to make some extra money. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I come out with different ways for you to start making money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So the first one is QKids. Now with all these different side jobs that I am going to show you, I am going to leave a link for all of them as always in the description below so you can go through and check them out. So with QKids you will be becoming an English teacher. Now this is similar to Cambly. But with Cambly, you're roughly going to be making around $10 an hour. With QKids, you will be making around $20 an hour. So it pays a little bit better. Now, if we have a quick look over the website, you can see, put that up a little bit. Is this what you are looking for? So you can work from home, work remotely, teach online from anywhere in the US or Canada. Easy and stable supplement income. $16 to $20 USD an hour. Each in-lesson time is 30 minutes. So flexible hours, fun and rewarding experience. You know, teaching English is not really that bad. As English is mainly the language of the world, most people now speak English, and if they don't, they want to learn it, and that's just where you come in. So with respect and treasure, we respect and treasure every teacher in the QKids family. We are always trying to be more helpful and more efficient. So the job description, you can come down here. Minimum of 6 hours, equivalent to 12 lessons per week, 7 days a week. So QKids lesson time slots are 6:40, 7:10, 7:20 to 7:50, 8 till 8:30, and so on and so on. Payment $16 to $20. Like I said, it's a little bit more than Cambly, and each lesson is going to take you around 30 minutes. So teach English to Chinese students between 5 and 12 years of age through QKids. Now, if you don't want to use QKids, I do recommend Cambly. Cambly, I think, is a little bit more laid back, where you're just having pretty much conversations. So keep that in mind. But yeah, this is a great little side income that you could easily do to make some extra cash. So now the next one is Clarity. So that's Clarity FM. Now if you have any skills in online business, internet marketing, social media, entrepreneurship, then you can become an expert. So if we just go here to categories, you can see all these different categories. So there's sales and marketing, funding, product and design, technology, skills and management. There's so many different categories on here which you actually might be an expert in. And if you are, people will ring you for your expertise. You could literally charge someone, say, $50 an hour, and you could literally lay in bed and take that phone call. So I really like this site, Clarity. Again, you do need some skills to actually give your expertise in that area. And again, I am going to leave this in the link in the description below so you can go and check it out. So the next one is called Rover.com. Now, this one is on the list because dog walking or looking after dogs is brilliant. You know, I love dogs. I love all kinds of dogs, especially German Shepherds, as they are my favourite. But with Rover, you can get paid to play with dogs. How cool is that? Get paid to play with dogs. And you can typically make $12 to $16 per hour for taking dogs for walks or doing various different things with dogs. So flexibility puts you in control. So with this, you can set your own schedule and prices, offer any combination of pet care services, pet size, age, and other pet preferences that work for you. So the tools to succeed are: your services are protected by the Rover Guarantee, manage your dog sitting business with the Rover app, and 24/7 support, including vet assistance. So you come down here, you can see how it actually works. So you create your profile, accept requests, and get paid. So payments are ready for withdrawal 2 days after you have completed a service. Then the Rover services, so dog boarding is the highest earning, dog walking, doggy daycare, that'd be brilliant. Doggy daycare, just looking after dogs all day and getting paid for it. That'd be brilliant. So house sitting or drop-ins. Then it goes on here about safety first as always. Now this can be done in the US and the UK, as it says up here in the link. This is rover.com/UK. So if we scroll down, you can actually see all the different, I was about to say countries, all the different, fucking hell, what's the word? Areas, I can't think of the word. But you can see all the different ones down here. So top Rover cities, that's the word I was looking for, city. Imbecile. So Aberdeen, Arkway, Belfast, you can look at all the cities just there. So that is my, what's that, 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th one coming up right now, and that one is care.com. Now you're probably thinking, that's great, Paddy, but I don't want to be looking after kids. Well, you don't just have to look after kids, there's various other ones as well. So if we scroll down a little bit, what they offer is you can do childcare, so you can be a babysitter, become a nanny, childminder, special needs care, you can look after elderly people, so personal care, companionship, nursing. They also have pet care, so that's dog walkers, cat sitters, pet groomers, and household help, so housekeepers, gardening, cleaners, and house sitters. So that's why it's on here, because house sitters, I'm sure you wouldn't mind looking after someone's house and actually getting paid for it. So if we scroll down a little bit, you can see how this one works. So it's just easy. You create an account, create a job. No, that's the wrong one we are looking at. That's if you want a carer. We are looking for a job. So create an account, it's easy. Create a profile, so list your skills and talents. Make it pop with photos and more. Search for jobs. New jobs are posted every hour, and then get hired. So apply to jobs, find the right match, and voila! You've got a job. So that's pretty simple. I like this one because of the house sitting, where you can actually look after someone's house. What folks are actually saying, so it's great that there's something like care.com. I highly recommend it. I found a great job. Nope, I found a great care job. So yeah, this is a pretty good website. You want to come down, come here, come to the bottom. You can look at, so for pets, for children, other care option, and for house. So look at the housekeepers, gardeners, and again you can see this in the UK as well. They have Birmingham, Manchester, Nottingham, Glasgow. So if you're interested in looking after someone's house and actually getting paid for it, come through and check out care.com. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.